In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resize an image proportionally without cropping in Figma. Start by opening your design and selecting the image you want to resize. You'll see a bounding box with corner handles around it, which is where all the resizing happens. The most reliable way to keep everything perfectly proportional is to use the scale tool. This tool not only preserves the exact aspect ratio, it also scales related properties like strokes and effects so your image stays visually consistent as it grows or shrinks. Press K on your keyboard to activate it. With the scale tool on, click and drag any corner handle. You don't need to hold any modifier keys here. Figma automatically locks the aspect ratio for you as you drag. This is ideal when you want a quick, accurate resize without worrying about distortion or mismatched outlines. If you need precise control, keep the scale tool active and use the scale panel in the right sidebar. There, you can type an exact width, height, or even a multiplier like 2 times. This is perfect when you are matching a design spec or ensuring an image fits a specific layout. If you don't see those fields, make sure the scale tool is still selected, because those inputs change based on the active tool. Prefer the standard move tool for everyday adjustments? That works too. With the move tool active, select the image, then hold Shift while you drag a corner handle. Be sure to press and hold Shift before you start dragging, and don't release it until after you let go of the mouse. That sequence is important to avoid accidentally skewing the image or cropping it as you move. For exact numeric dimensions while staying proportional, use the Design panel. Select the image, open the Design tab in the right-hand panel, and click the chain icon between the width and height fields to constrain proportions. Now, when you change either width or height, the other updates automatically to maintain the aspect ratio. If your image sits inside a frame and looks cropped, switch how it fits within that frame. In the Fill section on the right sidebar, click the image thumbnail, then change the drop-down from Fill to Fit. Fit ensures the entire image stays visible inside the frame, even if you later resize the frame itself. That's it. Thanks for watching.